Hey guys, Naturally Marked here. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you, see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam. Bam. Okay guys, I'm going to style my hair because I'm not going to leave my hair down like this. We all knew that. Today is still April 20th and now it is 7 o'clock at night. I'm going to put my hair in a ponytail. So let me undo this. 7 o'clock at night. I don't want to make this video too long. And then I really don't want my hair to be pulled tight. So I think I might try to find a scrunchie. This is a satin scrunchie. I have everything that I'm using linked down in the description box below. My son came back home, you guys, and he gave me such pretty flowers. They're so cute. They're kind of wilted now. I was like, geez, please don't have no bugs on this crap. But they're cute. He said a good mama deserves flowers. Alrighty then. Well, I really appreciate you. But, okay. So what are we going to do with it? I think I most definitely want to do some type of bun, perhaps. It's still a little wet, but it's not really wet. Okay. So let's see. Maybe ooh, chihuahua. Okay, put the comb down. Let's see. Okay. Okay, let's do some oil because I ain't put oil on my scalp. Ooh, that was a lot. Okay, oil on the scalp, oil on the edges. Oil on the scalp, oil on the edges. Okay, got that. Check. Okay. Now, what are we going to do? Water? Ooh. Water. Let's do water. See if we can kind of manipulate it and move it around just a little bit. See if we can consolidate it. Oop, okay. So let's do this part, because I keep doing a middle part. And then let's do gently that one. And then section off this piece. Okay, gentle. Okay, a little bit too much oil. I feel it running down my ear. Yeah, I might hear my son yelling and screaming and probably sound like he's arguing, which he probably is because he's playing Donkey Kong Bonanza maybe, or he might be playing Mario. I don't know, but I just know he's shouting. They have come back home and he be super intense about his game. Okay. Now let's spray. Spray, spray, spray. Or maybe they're playing wrestling. I'm trying to think if I want to put more gel in my hair to try to help smooth it down, but I'm not trying to get a smooth, slick down bun. I think those days for my head is over. Just because my hair and my head can't deal with it. How tight it is. Oh my goodness. Okay. So I am gonna try to put a little bit of gel. I don't think, ooh, that was a lot. What am I doing? Should I just wash my hair? And I need it pretty high because I like to lay on the back of my head when I'm in bed. Oh, they're playing wrestling. I think that might be high enough. Hopefully. Then is this one going to be tight enough? Because I don't want to wrap it more than twice. Okay, I need more of a stretched out one. Okay, I got a more stretched out one. Okay, so let me take this one off. Ooh, got a more stretched out one. Ooh. Okay, let's try it again. My arms is burning. So that was only one wrap around, and then before I tried to pull it all the way through to wrap it around again. I just put it in a bun. So now, what are we gonna do with this piece? We're gonna see. They be big dog tripping on that daggum game. Okay. The top and the bottom. So should I do it this way or should I do it all one way? All one way. Okay. So let's do the back side first. Okay. Okay. I don't think my bun is gonna hold up. It don't look like it's gonna hold up. Okay, let's twist it. My bun is falling. I think my bun is falling. Oh my goodness. Y'all, I'm gonna open this door so y'all can hear him screaming. Every time when I try to get them screaming like that, they stop screaming. Ooh, too tight. If y'all are ever wondering why I play music a lot of the time, my house is completely different now. Daddy, are you done? Oh my goodness. So what possibly happened with the both of them? Okay, look at that. Can you see it? I mean, you can only really see the front one, but I mean, I think it's cute. I don't feel like my bun is giving what it could give. I don't know, like, should I do like little pieces hanging out? I have no clue. And then it's like, should I do these little thingies? It's like, ew, she's dainty. Put the little dang-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling things down. A little ding-a-ling here and put a little ding-a-ling here there. Look like crap. And me saying that made me think of the song, just hear those sleigh bells ding-a-ling, ding-a-ling down. What am I doing with myself? Alrighty then, I'm gonna put my hair rag on and let this sit flat and let it sit overnight. And then I'll take my head rag off tomorrow morning so that you guys can see if it lays flat. But this is a very low tension bun. And then I might have to take the bun part down and like re-put it up. Hopefully not. Because that was a lot of work. It took me almost 20 minutes to put a bun in my head. A bun. Oh my goodness. I hope y'all can hear this crap. Okay guys, I will be right back tomorrow morning. It won't be right back. I'll be back tomorrow morning and I'll show you guys what my hair look like dry. So stay tuned. Okay guys, it's the very next morning. It is 9:15. It is April 21st. I think. Yes, it's April 21st and it's 9:15. I did get done with my hair yesterday at like 7:05 at night. But I'm going to unwrap my hair with you guys. Okay, that's tight. Okay. Oh, okay, that's pretty. Okay. See if I can. This is pretty. This part, that's really pretty. But I figured I was gonna have to do something to my bun. Uh-oh, can't do too much. Looks like it's kind of flaky. Oh, I think it kind of dried a little flakish. Like, it's probably the product that didn't like mesh well together. So there is some flaking. I don't think I put any gel in this part. I didn't put any gel in this part. But that's really cute. I like it. It's really cute. I am going to probably have to wash my hair though, but I did put the Black Jamaican Castor Oil Shea Moisture Gel on top of another product, and I didn't do the test. So with it kind of flaking in there, it's not horrible, but I'm not gonna like undo it and then put it back together because I think that will make it worse and I have to leave. But I really think this is super cute. It's really adorable. That's what it is. It's adorable. I'm gonna try to use the gel again, but I have to go. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave comments down below, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.